Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 16, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 14, 2023, our system has identified Google as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 3.89. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 2.48%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.83% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and horizontal trend. This situation usually presents a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock manages to break through the top trend line at $139.86, it will provide a strong buy signal and indicate a potential shift in the trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, the stock is expected to undergo a potential minus 1.19% change over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges between minus 12.11% and 0.92%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 57.69% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 44.14% and 68.26%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $197.37 to $230.40 after 1 year. Our latest update for Google stock price reveals that it ended at $136.93 on Thursday, following a gain of 1.72%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, November 16, 2023, Google's stock price increased by 1.72%. It started the day at $134.62 and closed at $136.93. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It's interesting to see if this positive trend will continue or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $134.32 and a high of $137.22, experiencing a 2.16% volatility. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 8 of them, showing a 7.4% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also increased on this day, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 26 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.56 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Google was $141.22, while the lowest was $84.86. Currently, the price is 3.04% or $4.29 below the 52-week high. It is also 94.41% or $2,311.99 below the all-time high, which was achieved on June 14, 2021, when the price reached $2,448.92. In today's video, we'll be discussing analyst ratings for a well-known company, Google, GOOGL. Let's dive right in. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Google a perform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. We also have news from Friday, October 13, 2023, where both Macquarie and KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Google an equal weight grade with a hold action. These are the most recent analyst ratings for Google. It's interesting to see the range of opinions from different firms. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis on the stock market. According to analysts, Google stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, and the price to book is also considered strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we're going to talk about the signals for Google's stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Google. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between the two signals supports this, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of a downward correction, there is support at $133.13 and $133.11. However, breaking below these levels would issue sell signals. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 12.08%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. Volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which also suggests a buy signal 15 days ago. The Bollinger signal also shows a buy signal 15 days ago. If we consider the short-term moving average, it gives a buy signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 2 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a buy signal 6 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 10 days ago. Similarly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 168 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google. When it comes to support, the stock has some key levels to watch. Just below today's level, there is support at $125.61 and $122.28. These levels represent areas where the stock has seen significant trading volume in the past, which often acts as a support floor. However, it's important to note that there is always a risk when a stock is testing a support level. If the current support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level, which in this case is at $125.61. If that level is also broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $122.28 and $122.17. Turning our attention to risk, it's important to consider the stock's volatility and trading volume. Google tends to have average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $2.90 between its high and low, representing a 2.16% change. Over the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.73%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Google, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on, it's worth noting that the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. According to analysts' consensus estimates, the earnings per share for this quarter are projected to be $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be looking at some key day trading levels for Google. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $137.40. If you haven't purchased any shares yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a potential level for swing trading. On the other hand, in the event of a downward movement, the first support level for Google is at $125.61. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock price. The consensus among multiple analysts is that Google is a buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 45 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 50 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 105 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram bought 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram sold 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -71.017. In total, insiders have purchased 1,162,054 shares and sold 7,306,305 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $131.71, representing a decrease of 3.81%. This stock tends to have moderate daily price movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The Relative Strength Index, RSI 14, is currently at 87, which significantly increases the risk involved. Furthermore, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals, we believe there is a buying opportunity for Google stock. It has the potential to perform well in the short term. However, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. For trading on Friday, November 17, we anticipate Google stock to open down by $0.773, starting at $136.16. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts with us. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more stock insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day.